हेलो वेलकम नमस्कार दोस्तों। आई एम पूजा एस जुदानी फ्रॉम कॉस्मिक हीलिंग स्टूडियो और आज हम करने जा रहे हैं जून 2021 की रीडिंग्स, एंजल कार्ड्स, टैरो कार्ड्स, मैजिशियन कार्ड, number messages, angels messages, and then we are going to do crystal messages. We are going to see color messages for this month. So आइए, आप सभी का स्वागत है और हम आज करेंगे जून 2021 की रीडिंग्स. So I request those who are watching to please select from these three beautiful umbrellas. क्योंकि जून मंथ है और मानसून का अराइवल होने वाला है, इसीलिए मैंने इस थीम को चुना है एंड मैं इसका सिंबॉलिक मैसेजेस भी आपके सामने रखूँगी. सो अगर आपको प्रॉब्लम आ रही है कि आप कौन सा अम्ब्रेला चुने, कौन सा कलर चुने, सो आप एक डीप ब्रेथ लेंगे एंड एक्सेल करेंगे और आप एंजल्स को या इन यूनिवर्स को आप पूछेंगे कि मेरे लिए कौन सा कलर बेहतर रहेगा इस जून मंथ के लिए. व्हाट वुड बी द बेस्ट कलर फॉर मी टू चूज़ फॉर द मंथ ऑफ जून 2021. सो एक ये ग्रीन कलर अम्ब्रेला है, ये पिंक कलर का अम्ब्रेला है एंड ये येलो कलर का अम्ब्रेला है. सो आप इसमें से कोई भी कलर चुन सकते हैं. अगर आप चाहें तो आप दो कलर भी चुन सकते हैं. अगर आपको तीनों मंथ की तीनों कलर्स की देखनी है तो भी कोई बात नहीं. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आपको तीनों कलर देखने हैं, प्लीज़ गो अहेड विथ इट. द चॉइस इज़ योर्स. वी आर हैविंग दिस ब्यूटिफुल सेटअप. आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू व्हाई आई हैव पुट दिस सेटअप, बिकॉज every set of mine has some symbolic meaning regarding with it. So yes, now I think so आपने अम्ब्रेला चूज़ कर लिया है. so आज हम और देखने जाएंगे, ये इसमें नंबर्स हैं, हम नंबर्स के द्वारा देखेंगे, प्लस हम क्रिस्टल्स के द्वारा देखेंगे, प्लस हम कलर्स के द्वारा भी देखेंगे, प्लस हम इस चीज़ का मैं आपको सिंबॉलिक मीनिंग बताऊंगी कि अगर आपको ये दो प्यारे प्यारे डक्स अच्छे लग रहे हैं, ये अम्ब्रेला का सेटअप अच्छा लग रहा है, सो व्हाट डज दिस मीन टू एवरीवन. ओके गाइस, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल येस, आई थिंक सो नाउ यू हैव चोजन दीज थ्री अम्ब्रेलाज. सो अभी हम लेने जाएंगे फर्स्ट अम्ब्रेला. ओके, सो लेट मी कीप दिस असाइड. अब हम लेने जा रहे हैं ये येलो अम्ब्रेला, अगर किसी ने येलो अम्ब्रेला चुना है तो ठीक है. So first of all, let me explain you why this I have put this, why I was guided to put this setup. Those who are resonating with it, June is the month of number 6. Number 6 denotes for love, Venus, family, charm, romance, beauty, and it's a period of luxury. It is a period of material manifestations. और इट इज़ अ पीरियड ऑफ बीइंग कंपैशनेट. ओके, सो ये मैंने इसीलिए ये एनर्जीज डाली है. एंड जो अपने लाइफ पार्टनर को भी चुनना चाहते हैं, ये डक्स उनके लिए एक मैसेज दे रहे हैं कि आप अपने लाइफ पार्टनर को चुनने के लिए रेडी हो. एंड समवेयर इन एनी टाइम इन द रिसेंट कमिंग टाइम आपका लाइफ पार्टनर आपके लिए आ सकता है आपके सामने. सो नाउ येस गाइज, सो लेट्स गो अहेड विद दिस फर्स्ट सिंबल ऑफ this beautiful yellow umbrella. I know it's closed, but it's an umbrella. Okay, so what does this yellow color denote? The yellow is the color for you. Yellow color denote कर रहा है be in your confidence, be in your willpower, be so much confident about yourself कि जो जो आपने अपने लिए सोचा है या जो सोच रहे हैं करने की जून मंथ के लिए, उसके लिए ये जो एनर्जीज़ हैं, मॉनसून एनर्जीज़ हैं, जो आपको बहुत साथ देगी. एंड प्लीज़ बी कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट योर एक्शंस. अगर आप एक्शंस ले रहे हैं लेकिन अगर आप कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं हैं तो शायद आपके एक्शंस उतना रिजल्ट नहीं लेके आ पाएंगे. नाउ वी विल गो अहेड विथ फर्स्ट कार्ड विच इज़ द मैजिशियंस टैरो डेक. देखिए, ये मैं आपके सामने शफल करने जा रही हूँ, मैजिशियंस टैरो डेक. अब हम इसको शफल करेंगे. थैंक यू मास्टर मर्लिन. ये डेक मैंने अपने 200 डेज़ ऑफ 3 आवर्स डेली मेडिटेशंस के बाद मास्टर मर्लिन के साथ ये मुझे चैनल हुआ था डेक. सो सबसे पहले हम मास्टर मर्लिन से पूछेंगे कि हमारे जून मंथ में जिन्होंने येलो अम्ब्रेला को चूज़ किया है उनके लिए क्या है स्टोर में. ओके, सो लेट्स सी. थैंक यू मास्टर मॉर्लिन. ओके, सो दिस इज, चलो, I will choose this for you. Now let's keep the card aside. Okay, so I will show you the, oh wow, the mistress. अब मिस्ट्रेस क्या बोल रही हैं? एप्ट कार्ड गाइज, वेरी एप्ट कार्ड फॉर द मंथ ऑफ जून, बिकॉज आई सेड एज इट इज़ द मंथ ऑफ वीनस, you see the entire card mostly it is in white, and white is also the color of intuition, of spirituality, and we have a lady over here, the mistress. यानी कि अगर हम लव एंड कंपैशन की बात करते हैं तो ऑलवेज द फीमेल पार्ट रिप्रेजेंट्स लव, कंपैशन, रिसेप्टिविटी, रोमांस. सो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि मेल में नहीं होती है एनर्जीज. इट इज़ जस्ट ए मैथड कि हर मेल में भी एक फीमेल पार्ट होता है, ये उसी का रिफ्लेक्शन है. तो मास्टर मर्लिन मिस्ट्रेस के साथ क्या समझाना चाहते हैं? मिस्ट्रेस के साथ ये समझाना चाहते हैं कि प्लीज़ जो आप कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ आप अपने एक्शंस को लेंगे, ट्रस्ट योर इंट्यूशंस दैट यू आर गोइंग ऑन द राइट पाथ. मिस्ट्रेस हमें ये भी दर्शाने आती है कि वॉट एवर यू हैव चोजन, जो आपने चूज़ किया है अभी तक अपने लाइफ में, आपने हमेशा अपने गट की सुनी है, अपने इंस्टिंक्ट्स की सुनी है. और मिस्ट्रेस ये भी कहना चाहती है कि जो भी आप काम अब करना चाहेंगे उसमें हमेशा आप ऑनेस्टी अपनाइएगा. मिस्ट्रेस हमेशा उन लोगों की मदद करती है जो कि अपने पाथ पर ऑनेस्टी के साथ चलते हैं और जो कि अपने गट को फॉलो करते हैं. June also is a month, I said, for love, romance and luxury. Mistress is telling you that some sort of upheaval also, what I sense कि upheaval यानी कि थोड़ी बहुत disturbances आपके लाइफ में आ सकती है, जहाँ लव एंड रोमांस के लिए अगर आप आई करने जा रही हैं, because of the disturbances in your emotional level. Remember, June is also the onset of monsoon, and monsoon relates to our emotions. So whereas relationships are concerned, mistress is asking you to be little bit practical and not emotional, because if you get emotional you may feel that there is some sort of a burden lying ahead of you. मिस्ट्रेस ये भी कह रही है कि कोई भी एक नया प्रोजेक्ट जो आप शुरू करने जा रहे हैं उसमें भी लॉजिक के साथ साथ आप अपने गट को हमेशा, अपने इंस्टिंक्ट्स को हमेशा फॉलो करेंगे. गाइस, जून एक मंथ है जहां हमें ये भी कार्ड के द्वारा दर्शाया जा रहा है कि कई बार जीवन में लॉजिक तो अप्लाई करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है टू टेक कॉन्क्रीट स्टेप्स, लेकिन कई बार अपने गट को भी, अपने इंस्टिंक्ट्स को भी आप फॉलो करेंगे तो आपके रिजल्ट्स बहुत ट्रिमेंडस आएंगे. सो this was the reading from Master Merlin. Let me keep this card here. I hope you can see. Yeah. Now we will see the Rider-Waite Tarot deck. Okay. Rider-Waite Tarot deck से हम पूछते हैं कि हमारा इस मंथ की जो गाइडेंस है हमें दीजिए. Remember, this is a general card reading, and see, this card has opened up on its own. General card reading है the King of Pentacles. Wow. So as we are saying, confidence, okay, actions, टेकिंग गट इंस्टिंक्ट्स, फॉलोइंग योर गट इंस्टिंक्ट्स. हम ये भी देख रहे हैं कि किंग ऑफ पेंटिकल्स आ रहा है, यानी कि आपने जो भी चीज़ में इन्वेस्ट किया है, इट डजेंट मैटर, इट डजेंट मीन ओनली मनी. आपने जो भी चीज़ में इन्वेस्ट किया है, टाइम टू सेलिब्रेट द फ्रूट्स ऑफ योर इन्वेस्टमेंट. आपने जो भी चीज़ में इन्वेस्ट किया था उसका टाइम आ गया है कि आप उसको आप रेलिश करें, सेलिब्रेट करें. किंग ऑफ पेंटिकल्स ये भी दर्शा रहा है कि कहीं ना कहीं आपके जो इन्वेस्टमेंट्स थे पास्ट के, वो फ्रूटिफाई होने का टाइम आ गया है, एंड यू विल इन्जॉय. ये 6 जून के साथ साथ ये कार्ड ये भी रिलेट हो रहा है कि आप मटीरियल अबंडेंस इस महीने इन्जॉय करेंगे. और अगर आप कोई भी बिजनेस वेंचर में हैं तो ये कार्ड यह भी दर्शा रहा है कि आप अपने बिजनेस वेंचर में जितना आप प्रोप्राइटरशिप में जाएंगे उतना आपके लिए बहुत फ्रूटफुल रहेगा. दिस कार्ड से सजेस्ट दैट प्लीज़ डू नॉट गो इन पार्टनरशिप्स. Now those who are also wanting to travel for their any studies or business related travels, this is the month to stay relaxed and not to travel too much, and stay relaxed on your home. You will have an opportunity to travel very soon. Okay, so this is also one guidance from this card. Now let us see this. Okay, we have beautiful decks coming up today. So now let us see what does the angel deck has to say. Okay, now the angel deck, टैरो deck से हम कार्ड निकालेंगे. आज हम बहुत सारे कार्ड्स से देखेंगे. Okay, now this has come out on its own, guys, so let's see. Okay, Eight of Air, an illusion of being trapped, a lack of self-confidence, afraid to take actions. How true it is. How true it is. I had just recently told you, just few minutes back told you कि कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ आगे बढ़िएगा और अपने आप पे भरोसा रखिएगा, अपने इंस्टिंक्ट्स पर भरोसा रखिएगा. सेम एट ऑफ एयर ने कहा है कि अपने इल्यूजन्स में मत ट्रैप रहिए, अब कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ आगे बढ़िए. सी द हॉर्स. ओके, हाउ इट इज़ नाउ. ये पीछे के जो हॉर्सेस हैं ये आप ही का ही पार्ट है जो पास्ट का है, जो इल्यूजन्स में अटका हुआ है. लेकिन आपको ग्रीन सिग्नल मिल गया है कि जस्ट डोंट गेट ट्रैप्ड, कम आउट ऑफ इट. नाउ इट कैन बी एनीथिंग. इफ़ यू आर स्टक इन मेंटल स्पेस, अगर आप फिजिकली बहुत स्टक हैं, अगर आप इमोशनली बहुत डिस्टर्ब है और आपको कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं मिल रहा है किसी को अप्रोच करने का, कोई काउंसलर से एडवाइस लेने का, कोई प्रोफेशनल के पास जाने का, कुछ भी करने का, सो डोंट स्टक इन एन इल्यूजन. इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट विल नेवर एंड. Remember, everything will pass through, everything will sail through. Come out of your emotional trap and get some help. Gather the confidence. मुझे ये भी दर्शा रहा है ये कार्ड. I'm getting the message that those who are waiting for an opportunity, right? Those who are waiting for some kind of mail or letter or an opportunity, their answers, their prayers are going to get answered. So this is a very beautiful card. The card is telling you to plunge ahead. Do not get afraid, do not get disheartened, and do not get afraid, as well as do not be under the illusion कि आपकी कोई मदद करने वाला नहीं है, कोई आगे नहीं आएगा. सब आगे आएंगे, लेकिन आपको अपने ऊपर से कॉन्फिडेंस का जो है लेवल वो उठाना होगा. रिमेंबर, आप जब एक कदम चलते हैं तो यूनिवर्स जो कि ब्रह्मांड है या गॉड है 10 कदम आपके लिए चलने को आपके लिए प्रेरित रहता है. सो प्लीज़ डो नॉट गेट स्टक इनटू योर confidence levels. Do not get stuck into an emotional trap. Let the plane pass by. Do not one second. Do not get stuck physically also. उठिए, घूमिए, दौड़िए, भागिए, whatever it is, just try to do some movement in the month of June. I know some places the monsoons will start, somewhere rains may start also heavily, but move into your entire space in your home. That is the trick, guys. So please do not give up and do not lose hope or confidence. Now we are going to see angel card. Again, angels के से हम message लेंगे, where angels will answer some of your queries. I want you to be very positive. I want you to stay very positive and very confident this month, because this month, year is going to bring you huge opportunity, especially over here. एक तरफ जहाँ कहला रहा है कि ट्रैप्ड रहेंगे, लेकिन दूसरी तरफ ये भी कहला रहा है कि जैसे ही एक अपॉर्चुनिटी आएगी, जस्ट प्लंज अहेड इनटू द अननोन. दैट इज़ वेयर यू विल फाइंड योर हैप्पीनेस. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट डज द एंजल आंसर्स हैव टू से. एंजल आंसर्स, लेट मी सी व्हाट आर दे सेइंग. Okay, listen to your intuition. My God, how these cards get connected. Listen to your intuition, listen to your intuition, listen to your intuition. Your intuition will never go wrong. Listen to your intuition. Of course, June is the month of Venus. Venus is a month of love, romance. This is the mistress of high intuitive powers. So if you are a meditator, if you are into counseling, if you are into some sort of occult world or into some sort of energy practices, this is a very good month for you, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी आप यूनिवर्स के साथ डेली मेडिटेशंस के साथ कनेक्टेड रहते हैं. मुझे ये भी आ रहा है इस कार्ड से दैट समथिंग क्रिएटिव विल बी पुट अप दिस मंथ फॉर यू गाइज. कुछ एक नया क्रिएशन आपके लिए आने वाला है जो आपके लिए बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी लाएगा, जो आपको सेल्फ इंडिपेंडेंट बनाएगा, जिससे आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ेगा. और मिस्ट्रेस की एनर्जीज यानी कि ऑलरेडी वीनस, द लेडी वीनस, द गॉड वीनस इज वर्थ with us to help us create our creative energies. Okay guys, so this is a beautiful month for June. Now let us see one reading from the Sacred Tarot deck, which is going to be bullseye, one liner message for you. Okay, one liner message for you. Yeah, so I'm sorry. The wheel of fortune, destiny is going to turn very soon in your favor. Do not disbelieve yourself. Do not leave confidence in yourself. Do not, let me put it here. Just, this is a big card. Yeah. Yeah. Destiny is in your favor, and it is just a matter of time that the things will unfold themselves for you. So please do not be in okay, I'll keep this here only so it's not been seen. So do not be condemned, do not get disheartened, do not be in a hurry, because destiny is going to turn very soon in your favor. The wheel of fortune is there. The month of June, or the intuitive energies, this angel is asking you to trust your own feelings and go ahead with this month, because again we see, because the wheel is going to turn in your favor very soon. Now we see what is the message for you, number message. What is the lucky number for you this month? So the lucky number for you this month is, let me pick up one card, number 3. Okay, I'll show you first. Okay, number 3. Okay, I'll keep it here. Number 3. So what does the number 3 denote? Number 3 denotes that you are getting organized, you are getting structured, and you are getting pepped up for your work in the month of June. The universe is readying you for a big turn in your life. Number 3 also denotes lucky number 3. Why? Because we have picked lucky number. So anything related with number 3, 3rd of June, okay, 12th of June, you can say, then you can say 30th of June, you can say 21st of June. These 4 days are really very lucky for you. If you are planning to do something, please do on these dates and you will see the results. Now let's see what is the crystal message for you. Crystal message for you is, let me pick up one crystal. Okay, so this is the crystal. This is a beautiful smoky quartz crystal. This crystal is telling you to stay grounded and stay in your own energies. Do not disintegrate, do not disperse. अपने आप को dispersed मत रखिए, confused मत रखिए, और अपने आप पर भरोसा रखिए. ग्राउंडिंग, खूब ग्राउंडिंग कीजिए. ग्राउंडिंग का सबसे सरल तरीका आपको मैं बताती हूँ. अपने खुद के ही घर में बिना चप्पल के सुबह सुबह चलिए, जब धरती एकदम ठंडी रहती है. अपने बिल्डिंग के नीचे या गार्डन में आप चलिए, ग्राउंड पर. जितना आप मिट्टी से कनेक्टेड रहेंगे उतना ही आपके लिए ज़्यादा अच्छा है. आपके थॉट्स जो हैं, मुझे ये भी दर्शा रहा है स्मोकी क्वार्ट्ज के, जो आप अभी बहुत ज़्यादा कंफ्यूजिंग पीरियड से चल रहे हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा पीरियड ऐसे अनसर्टन पीरियड से चल रहे हैं जहाँ आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा आप क्या करें, उसके लिए ग्राउंडिंग बहुत ज़्यादा नेसेसरी है. एंड ग्राउंडिंग के लिए मैंने आपको तरीका बताया. ट्राई टू कॉन्शियसली वॉक विद बेयर फुट and try to release all the unwanted thoughts into the mother earth. And smoky quartz is also telling you when a big time of yours will arrive, which is going to arrive soon. Always stay humble and always pray to the divine, that God has or the divine has made you worthy of attaining this, because I can see some creative energies getting channeled to these three cards. आपके जो क्रिएटिव एनर्जीज हैं बहुत ही अच्छे हैं और आपके लिए एक गुड न्यूज़ बहुत जल्दी आने वाली है. सो दिस वॉज इट फॉर द मंथ ऑफ जून फॉर द पीपल who have chosen umbrella. Now let's move to the other card. Let's move to the other card. Okay. Now we see. Okay. So let me pick this up. Yeah. So now we see, go ahead for the people who have chosen a pink umbrella. Okay. So what does the pink umbrella denote? Pink color, lucky color for you guys. Pink color is the color of love. It is the color of compassion. It is the color of romance. It is the color of building relationships. It is the color of entering into new relationships. Again, it is a color of building vibrancy around you. Everything is the color pink for you. And where pink is also concerned, it is also concerned with beautiful, loving emotions for the self or the other. This color is also telling me कि self love develop करने का time आ गया है my dear friends. Love doesn't mean love only for others. Love also means loving your own self also. So please guys, start loving your own self. Blue umbrella is also telling you that what I can see is family protection, where you can see umbrellas over here. So umbrella also means that अगर आप कोई emotions से अगर आप struggle कर रहे हो तो this card, this season will bring you emotional protection. Umbrella always denotes protection. So I think so when I'm channeling this message for you guys, those who have chosen the pink umbrella, the message for you is please keep your emotions protected. This is emotional period for you as well as for many people in the country, but please keep your emotions protected. Don't don't over exaggerate for things. Don't unnecessary over exaggerate your things, otherwise again you will feel more emotional. Okay guys, so आइए हम चैनल करते हैं मैसेज आपके लिए from Master Merlin's deck, the Magician's Tarot deck. Now see, let's see the first message for you guys, those who have chosen the pink umbrella. Thank you so much my master. Let's see what is the message for you. Okay, so the message for you now. Grace, your family is protected, your house is protected, the people around you are protected. Whatever dark you are going through, you will be protected. Okay, so what does this mean guys? आप बहुत ज़्यादा इमोशनल पीरियड से जा रहे हैं, आप प्लीज़ मत इनसिक्योर मत रहिए, बिकॉज मास्टर मर्लिन and with the divine grace your entire home and family is protected. What I am sensing that there is one person or maybe two persons or three persons around your family who are sick right now, and you are very tensed for these people. So whatever is the case, be sure that nothing will happen, and your family people will also be protected. वन मोर थिंग आई एम गेटिंग दैट अगर आप नया घर लेने के लिए विश कर रहे हैं, या आपके मन में है कि बहुत टाइम कुछ बहुत टाइम से मन में है कि आप एक नया घर लेंगे, सो आपके लिए ये भी गाइडेंस है कि जो भी आपने एनर्जीज इन्वेस्ट की है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इंटेंशन, in the form of money, your new house is on its way guys. So hip hooray guys, you have a good news that your prayers are answered from the divine. whatever it is, guys, try to be, again where I'm saying in the previous card also, ये भी card के लिए मैं बता रही हूँ, try to be graceful and be in gratitude for whatever you have first, because gratitude enhances the energy of its kind. अगर आप नया घर ले भी रहे हैं और नया घर ऑफकोर्स आपकी लाइफ में आ भी रहा है, अभी से ही ग्रैटिट्यूड चालू कर दें कि आई एम सो ब्लेस्ड एंड ग्रेटफुल दैट आई एम नाउ लिविंग इन माई न्यू हाउस. जो भी है आपके लिए बहुत अच्छी न्यूज़ है. एंड ट्राई टू बी इन कॉन्शियस एनर्जीज ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड एज आई सेड, बिकॉज बार बार मुझे यही आ रहा है, जो चीज़ के धन्यवाद में आप रहेंगे वही चीज़ आपकी लाइफ में और बढ़कर आएगी. सो प्लीज़, एटीट्यूड ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड फॉर द पिंक अम्ब्रेला पीपल इज नेसेसरी. नाउ लेट्स सी what is in store for people who have chosen the pink umbrella from the Rider-Waite tarot deck. Okay, so I'll choose from here. Okay, let's keep the card aside. What is the card? King of Cups. Previous we had King of Pentacles and Cups. Cups denotes emotions. Cups denote emotions, overflow of emotions. ओके, जो भी मैंने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले कहा था, किंग ऑफ कप्स बोल रहे हैं कि इमोशनली डिसीजन ना लें. जब मैंने पिछली बार कहा था कि गट फीलिंग पे डिसीजंस ले, लॉजिक पे मत ले, यहाँ आ रहा है किंग ऑफ कप्स में कि इमोशनल होके डिसीजन ना लें. थोड़ा सा जो सिचुएशन को है वो बैलेंस करें, वो वे करें, तोल लें, बैलेंस करके इधर गाइडेंस आ रही है, थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिकली चलें, बिकॉज ये आप जो इस महीने से गुजर रहे हैं विद द पिंक अम्ब्रेला थिंग, इट इज़ अ मंथ ऑफ इमोशनल ओवरफ्लोज फॉर इन योर लाइफ. सो प्लीज़, वेर एवर जब आप कोई डिसीजन ले रहे हैं, स्पेशली आपके एडवांसमेंट को लेके कि आप किस तरीके से आगे बढ़ेंगे अपनी लाइफ में, हमेशा आप अपने प्रैक्टिकली आप फॉलो करें. प्लस आपकी फैमिली में, राइट, आपकी फैमिली में जो भी कुछ हो रहा है इस वक्त, उसमें आपका जो रोल होने वाला है, उस रोल में वो आपकी फैमिली के लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट रहेगा. यानी कि आपका जो आपके फैमिली में रोल है वो बहुत फ़िलहाल इस फेज़ में बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट रहेगा, क्योंकि कोई मेजर डिसीशंस को आप लेने वाले हैं जिसके लिए आप बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबल रहेंगे. तो इसके लिए भी मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप प्रैक्टिकली डिसीशंस को प्रोस कॉन्स को करिए, कॉज एंड कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस देखिए, तब जाके डिसीजन लीजिएगा. अच्छा, एक और मुझे आ रहा है कि आप कोई चीज़ के लिए रिवॉर्डेड होंगे. यानी कि आपने कोई चीज़ की है या पास्ट में आपने कुछ किया है, उसका अवार्ड आपको मिलने वाला है. अवार्ड, नॉट रिवॉर्ड, अवार्ड आपको मिलने वाला है. कुछ अप्रिसिएशन आपके पास में आने वाली है, कोई ट्रॉफी या तो कोई सर्टिफिकेट आपके आने वाला है बहुत ही जल्द. दिस कार्ड ऑल्सो सजेस्ट दैट यू आर नाउ एंटरिंग द मंथ ऑफ वेल्थ एंड प्रोस्पेरिटी. दिस कार्ड ऑल्सो सेज जो आपका अबंडेंस लेवल है, जो अबंडेंस कोशेंट है, वो बहुत जल्दी बढ़ने वाला है. एंड इसके लिए आपको थोड़ा सा इमोशनल लेवल पे काम ना करके थोड़ा सा लॉजिकल एंड प्रैक्टिकल लेवल पर काम करना ज़रूरी है. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स सी अदर गाइडेंस फ्रॉम द एंजल्स. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट डू द एंजल्स नीड टू से टू अस. Okay, we will pick one card from the middle itself. Let's see. Okay. Abundance. What did I say here? आप अभी अपने लाइफ में वेल्थ एंड अबंडेंस के एनर्जीज में जा रहे हैं, तो आप अभी अबंडेंस में ही रहेंगे गाइस. सो आपके लिए रिवर्सल नहीं है, आपके लिए अब ये स्टेज के बाद रिवर्सल नहीं है, क्योंकि आप एंजल्स द्वारा कहा जा रहा है कि आप वेल्थ एंड अबंडेंस की एनर्जीज में जा रहे हैं. वॉट एवर यू चूज टू, लिसन टू मी केयरफुली, वॉट एवर यू चूज टू act upon this month will bring abundance in your life. Now, action should always be positive and expanding in your favor as well as everyone's. So whatever you choose to act, अगर आप नेगेटिविटी के साथ, इंटेंशन के साथ अगर आप एक्ट कर रहे हैं तो वो भी मल्टीप्लाई करेगा, लेकिन अगर आप पॉजिटिविटी के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना चाहते हैं तो ये भी आपको बहुत ज़्यादा अबंडेंस ला के देगा. ये आपकी ग्रोथ भी, स्पेशली फॉर पीपल हु आर इन द स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी, आई एम गेटिंग अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग मैसेज that your spiritual evolution is started already, and it is going to take place into higher levels. Those who are into spiritual context, आपके लिए बहुत अच्छी ग्रोथ है. प्लस अगर कोई कुंडलिनी की आ रही है मुझे गाइडेंस, अगर कोई अपने कुंडलिनी पे काम करना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़, अगर आपके मन में ये सवाल बार बार उठता है कि आई नीड टू वर्क ऑन माई कुंडलिनी, I need to activate my Kundalini energies. Again, I'm getting a very strong message that they can go ahead. The portals are open for you. The guidance has come for you. The doors are open for you. Please go ahead with the Kundalini onset of your life. Again, I'm getting ki those who are into banking, investments and financial company, their company and their own stature is going to grow. Their own stature is going to grow. Again, I am getting a very good message from the stock market, that the stock market is, according to this abundance card, what I am getting, the stock market is going to go higher in the month of June. Now I don't know how it will be because I have got no idea about the stock market, but then too I am getting this channel that the stock market is going to grow higher in the month of June. So good time to invest in shares. Again, I'm getting that the people who are wanting to activate again Kundalini, but again I'm getting those people who are wanting to activate their third eye chakra. Please do some good beautiful meditations in the month of June, because this month is going to bring you beautiful energies regarding your activation of the third eye chakra. So now let's see what does the Angel Tarot deck wants us to know through it. Okay, so let's see what does it want to know. What do we want to know from the Angel Tarot deck? Okay, I want to choose this. Okay, 3 of Air. Great sadness. Take time to heal. The need to forgive yourself or others. So if you are going through an emotional overload, guys, as I said, you will be emotional. If you are going through some emotional period, guys, I want you to forgive yourself first. The angels are telling you कि please be loving, compassionate, as I suggested in the first sentences of when I channeled the the pink umbrella, कि please be loving, caring and gentle towards yourself. Here the 3 of Air is also suggesting the same thing, that if you are sad, if you are in grief, if you have lost someone through any situation, please, it's time to heal this sadness, because as I said, abundance and these energies, wealth, prosperity energies are going to play a vital role in your life. And if you are going through a grudge or a grief or a sadness, you won't be able to handle these energies when they descend down for you. So what you will do, you will start forgiving yourself first, as well as people who have hurt you or betrayed you, or people for whom you are in grief. If you have gone through heartaches, breakups, if you have gone through separation, if you have gone through any emotional hurt, means permanent separation or a temporary separation, please heal this sadness within you, because it's now the time that you will come out of it. हमेशा सोचेगा एनर्जीज हील होने की बहुत एक एप्ट टाइम पे आती है, वही टाइम को अगर हम कर्ब नहीं करते तो वो एनर्जीज दोबारा चली जाती है. ऑफ कोर्स वो वापस आएगी, लेकिन एक टाइम होता है जब हील होने की एनर्जीज बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी होती है. सो for you people, for the pink umbrella people, this is a time for healing your past issues, healing your griefs, and healing what is holding you to not to take the benefits of these two cards. Okay guys, now let's see what does the Sacred Tarot deck has to say. The Sacred Tarot deck. Okay, I'm directed to take this card. Okay, so yeah, the Tower suggests, the Tower is suggesting whatever has happened. जो भी हो गया है आपकी लाइफ में, जो भी मिसहैप्स हो गए हैं, जो भी सडन, जो भी आपकी लाइफ में सैडनेस आई है, प्लीज़ अब वो उसको अब भूल कर आगे बढ़ने का टाइम आ गया है. जो भी कुछ आपकी लाइफ में जो भी कुछ हिल गया था, जो भी कुछ स्टॉर्म्स आए थे, जहाँ पर भी आपके ब्रेकअप्स या सैडनेस आई थी, जो भी सिचुएशंस जो आपके फेवर में नहीं थी उस समय, जो आपको लगा था कि ये मेरे साथ ऐसा क्या हो गया है, मैं अब क्या करूँगा या क्या करूँगी, दिस इज़ द टाइम द टावर कार्ड इज टेलिंग यू वॉट एवर हैज़ हैपेंड will take you to a certain position in life in the future which will be entirely in your favor. Remember guys, universe does not do any bad to us. Universe always prepares us for the future. Now we may think that it is something bad right now it is happening, but when you look back, okay, you will see that the situation has got better, or the previous situation has made you a better person because of that situation. That is why the Tower card is also telling you, do not get upset, do not go into sadness, because whatever has happened has been the thing of the past. But now just be in the divine gratitude, as this card suggests. Be in the divine gratitude for the experiences, for those experiences and for those situations which have shaped you being a more better and a capable person in this life. Okay guys, so now let's see what is the lucky number for you. Okay, let me open this, and what is the lucky number for you. Now let's see the number. 3 has come. I won't take 3 again. Okay, so again I will take a number. Okay. 3 का multiple, we got to 3 का multiple, 3 नहीं लिया तो 9. Okay, 3 times 3 is 9, so more energies with you guys. 9, what does 9 mean? First we will see end of the phase of a life over here guys. See over here, sadness, hurt, any destructive, it is ending. A phase of your life is ending, a new life is going to begin soon. Also number 9 means whatever you have started is going to fructify again, and it is going to get completed again. You are going to reap the results of whatever you have stored in this with this number 9. 9 also suggests that that you are now going to start something new again, and the energies for number 9 are coming in the form of abundance. Okay, so whatever you are going to start again, with the help of number 9 and with the help of the abundance card, you are going to set in for a beautiful and abundant energies. So what does the number 9 also denote? It denotes that 9th June or the 18th of June, or the which number, 27th of June. Okay, I have to calculate please guys. So these 3 dates of June are going to go in your favor. Whatever you are going to start, whatever you are going to decide for, and if there is something good which is coming up and you need to set a date for, please you can also take the help of these numbers. Of course it's a suggestion, the onus is completely and entirely on you, and these are just general readings, so take what resonates and leave what doesn't. So now we see for the angel card, I'm sorry, not the angel card, the crystals. Which crystal is in for you? Okay, which crystal is in for you? Let me shuffle, no, I'm not able. Okay, so we have got two crystals. Okay, we have got two crystals. Okay, see. Okay, one, see. Okay, okay, I'll show you here like this. See. Okay, the pink quartz, the rose quartz, what we say, which is in connection with the pink umbrella. Okay, this is the pink quartz. First we will see what does the pink quartz means. The pink quartz suggests that you are in the energy of love, romance, compassion, companionship, friendship, family, and you are in the energies of starting a new family, guys. Again, those who are going through any heart issue, I would suggest that you can have an energy water of the pink rose quartz crystal. And if you need to know anything more about it, you can write me in the comment below and I will reply to you. Again, wearing a pink quartz rose quartz bracelet would do very much, be helpful to you. Again, I'm getting to the rose quartz that people who are depressed, okay, can use this crystal for enhancing their mental power, so that do not be depressed. Again, this crystal is also telling me that keeping two ducks like these, these are not rose mandarin quartz ducks, but you can have those ducks in your home where if any conflicts are there in your family or in your husband and wife relationship, spousal relationship, you can keep those rose mandarin ducks in one of the corners of your room, and it will bring you beautiful energies while you are wanting to have a beautiful relationship with your partner. Again, in partnerships also, okay, in partnerships also, you please be very careful while attending when you are in partnership, because there may be some conflicts between you and your partner. So the guidance is like, please be in beautiful energies with your partner, and for this month at least try to listen what your partner is going to convey you, because you may end up having conflicts with him or her. So this may create a tussle between you both. So please, rather than going into that, please avoid it. Okay, so now let's see. This is the blue turquoise beautiful tumble. So what is this telling? This is telling that you are now ready to be in the energy of wealth and abundance. And this quartz is also suggesting, this turquoise is also suggesting that you can work heavily on your communication. What do you need to do? You just need to hold a beautiful blue turquoise crystal or a stone in your hand and meditate with its energies. I have personally done it and I have seen tremendous changes in my speech and in my talk, in my communication. I was very shy person, but when I started working with these crystals, everything changed and I am now very confident while speaking. So please go ahead with whatever resonates with you guys and leave whatever doesn't. So this was the reading for the pink umbrella people. So now we move ahead to the green umbrella. Welcome to the green umbrella people, and you have chosen a green umbrella. Now green umbrella suggests that you are now going into the energies of wealth and healing. Again, this green umbrella suggests that wherever your insecurities regarding your wealth are concerned, take it from the universe that you are being divinely protected and divinely guided by the universe. Those who have lost their jobs currently will be now protected, because some good opportunity is going to open up for them. Those who have suffered ill health in this period is now getting a, they are you are getting a message from the divine that please take good care of your health, because health is one thing which will take you very high in your life. Because I sense that some of you have got very big plans for the future, but your health is not that much perfect, which is going to take you to that place. So the energies are suggesting that priority to a good future and your goal is health first. So guys, this was the message for the green umbrella. Now we go ahead to see what is in store for you for the month of June with the help of the Magician's Tarot, Master Merlin. Okay, Master Merlin, what does Master Merlin is trying to suggest you for the month of June? Okay, so I go with this card. Let's see what this card is telling you. Eagle. Okay, what does the eagle card suggest? The eagle card suggests that whatever steps that you are going to take for your life today for your life in the month of June, please weigh the pros and cons. Take a decision from a different perspective. Keep the vision of a life which is more beyond your reach. Means, suppose if you are taking a decision for 1 year ahead, I do not want the guidance for you is, do not consider 1 year, consider at least 5 years down the line and take a decision. Again, the eagle is also suggesting that if you want to fly high, if you want to have your goals met, if you want a rich and a wealthy and a beautiful life, the eagle is suggesting is to aim high. Some of you are dreaming and having goals which are really very, I won't say low, but which are not in your vibrations. Means you are meant for something bigger. So the divine is asking you to dream big. Okay, the one word is dream big in order to have a fulfilling and a complete life. The eagle is also suggesting that you have the capability of being a very senior, in a senior post in your organization or wherever you're working right now. So work hard towards it, and you will see that you, with the help of eagle energies, you will be in that position in the coming time. And wherever eagle is concerned, the divine is also asking you to keep your thoughts very positive, and maybe with the draining situations of our country, some of you are drained into negative thoughts. So please go outside your home, take some fresh air. Or not outside means you do not have to go for a drive or something, unless the guidelines are mentioning, but go down your building, take some fresh air, sit in your balcony, take some fresh air. The whole idea is to take some fresh air of, and be in congruent thoughts, because your thoughts are very powerful. This eagle is suggesting that your thoughts are so powerful that it manifests very soon. So if you're thinking negative also, the thoughts will manifest. So guys, please be careful while you are manifesting your desires. Okay, now we go ahead with the Rider-Waite Tarot deck. What does the deck suggest for you? The deck suggests this. Let's open up. Strength. Wow, strength is the word. You have all the strength, and the universe is going to provide you all the strength if you keep your thoughts positive, and you think different, from a different perspective, from a different angle. Now the strength card also suggests that there is some female in your house which is going to help you big time. Now this female can be in your house also, it can be in your organization, it can be your own wife, a female friend of yours, some female energy who is closely connected with you, and she is going to help you big time. This female also comes as a counselor, as a guide, as a guru to you, because she will provide you willpower, confidence and courage to go through the situation. What I'm getting through this card is some people, some people in your, who have chosen this green umbrella, in your environment, or it can be you also, who are having some illness in their stomach which requires attention now, guys. So if you are suffering from some stomach issues, please visit the doctor. Again, that I'm telling, that if someone is going through addiction, it can be you or in your family, please, again, there is a guidance that please go for a checkup, because the time is ripe now to get it healed. Okay, now again, when I'm seeing this strength card, means you will have all the strength to take beautiful actions in your life. If you choose to heal yourself, God will give you the strength. If you choose to go and want to invest money, or if you want to earn money, God is going to give you strength in each of the situations. Again, when I'm getting the message from this card is, please do not open your mouth unless and when it is needed, because your words are so powerful and strong. As I said, your thoughts are powerful, means your words are also powerful. Your words are so powerful and strong that it might have an impact on someone, which may be, not so good for that person, because you have that power in your words. And again, when I'm seeing that this powerful words, you may not say with that intention of hurting that person, but it may pop up during a conversation. You might say something little bit on the harsher side, which might not be favorable for that person. So please do not open your mouth unless and until you are too sure about the, that you need to convey or not. Again, I'm getting this guidance from this card ki, do not operate from instinctual energies. Instinctual energies means animal energies. What does this mean? Where we take actions be based only on survival, guys. Now, yes, we all need food, shelter, clothing, that is the basic necessity of our life. But the card over here is suggesting that do not operate on greed. Do not operate on greed. Others also should get a chance, others also should get a chance of earning, of having good amount in their life, in their pockets. And others also have a, have that full others also have that full, what we say, they also have that right to enjoy the life. So when you are on the greed terms, okay, I'm not saying they're greedy, but sometimes we act ourselves based on instincts. Means we hop and jump to a decision, we hop and jump and say because it is favoring us. No, this is the time of giving others also, where you are wanting to do some charity, or unless and until you shell out that, you just tear out that greed part from within you, the instinct part. You will not be able to, enjoy this eagle benefits. Okay, because eagle is telling you to dream big. Because what I'm getting through these two cards is, you are in store for a big destiny, but you're operating from lower energies. So the guidance from these both cards is, dream big, stop being operating from lower based energies, start raising your thought levels, start improving your perspective, see things from a different angle, and your big visions and big goals will come in the your most desired manner, guys. And of course, I said, those who are suffering from any health issues, it's time to show to the doctor, as suggested by this green umbrella also. Now let's see what messages do the angels have to give to us. Now let's see what is the angels trying to tell us. Peaceful resolutions. So it's a very good card for you guys. Whatever conflicts you are going through, there is a peaceful resolution coming up in your life. Means if you are asked, if you are going through any tussle between you and someone else, it can be in any form, like family members, with a friend or a boss or a colleague, or you must have filed some case also in the court. A peaceful resolution is going to arrive very soon, where it will benefit both of you. As I suggested, like, not to be greedy, and this I think so this card has this, the message has come because of this card. Because the card over here was telling you to be, not to be greedy, means you have to be the a resolution has to be made where both the parties will benefit, and this will help you to sleep properly, guys. Because I'm really telling you, if you have done something very beautiful for yourself as well as for the other person, you have a very good mindset, you have a very good sleep, and somewhere your karmic is also resolved with that situation. And this card is the peaceful resolution, is also suggesting if there is any conflict happening around you or in your family, try to have a peaceful resolution by sitting and talking with them. Okay, because by sitting and talking with them, the angels are going to provide you with the right discernment of what is the right path that you need to take up in order to solve that situation. Okay, and I see a celebration also, the green umbrella people, a celebration in your life in the month of June, a celebration, or where I can see a arrival of a new person. It can be a marriage, it can be a baby, whatever it is, or an arrival of a new person is going to come in your life. Okay, and one more thing I can see is, like, a balance card. This is a time for to balance. Okay, don't go in extremes, don't be in extremes, and try to maintain balance in whatever you're doing. One more thing that I'm getting from this card is food. Okay, people who has chosen the green umbrella can go through some acidity problems or some heartburns. So the guidance for you is try taking alkaline food, and try to be not taking so much junk food or sodas, because it may prove acidic to your body. So stay alkaline, guys. Try alkaline food and water for you, so that you do not have to face this situation. Okay, now let's see your message from the angel tarot. Okay, so these cards are quite heavy and they are broad, so it's a task shuffling them. Now let's see the Lovers, Archangel Raphael. As I said, the green umbrella, Archangel Raphael, the green. Okay, green. Intimate relationships, carefully weigh your decisions, good health. I said good health. Okay, carefully weigh your decisions, be in balance. Okay, be in balance, I said, suggested. So Archangel Raphael is telling you to be careful about your intimate relationships and whatever decisions you are going to make in regards your relationships and your health. Be very wise of taking those decisions. Archangel Raphael is also sending a messages via his healing energies, that if you call upon Archangel Raphael, you are going to have optimum health. Now, how do you call Archangel Raphael? Angels are very simple, guys. You just have to take Archangel Raphael, please come to heal me. Please heal me. Just this word from you to Archangel Raphael will do the trick. I have just finished my Angels and Us workshop, and we have done so much beautiful connection with the angels, and everyone is so happy with the angels workshop. And here I see again, see the number 6. Okay, we are setting for number 6. Okay, I didn't see number from any card. We have number here, but here I got the number 6. Okay, for you. So means Archangel Raphael is in the vibration with you for the month of June. And please call in Archangel Raphael to be in healing energies. Those who are going through any internal any conflicts within their intimate relationships, like husband and wife, who are going through struggle in their relationships, please do I suggest do Archangel healing with Archangel Raphael. Light a candle, preferably green candle, and please call him, please pray to him to come and settle your relationships. A peaceful resolution is on the way only if you ask, guys. You might have heard that saying, ask and it is given. So once you ask Archangel Raphael to be in your energies, to heal you of your relationships, to heal you of your health. Okay, we have health also card over here, to heal of your health and be in good health. Please take note of that Archangel Raphael is going to give you the gift of health to you, and is going to bring beautiful angelic blessings in your life, guys. And those who are working, those who have their children, and who are really worried for their children health and their future or their education, at that time also you can call in Archangel Raphael, and he will help you. He will help you heal your children from their mental suffering, because I'm sensing that some of your children are going through mental burden because of their education, their exams, their admissions, and so on. So please call in Archangel Raphael and ask him to comfort your child, and see him comforting him with his beautiful wings of green color and healing them. Okay, now we see the guidance from the sacred tarot deck. Okay, so I'll pull this card. Okay, justice. What does justice means? Justice will be prevailed. Whatever you have asked for, you will get the justice. Remember, see the peaceful resolution again and again and again. The angels are trying to tell you justice will be prevailed, and justice will be prevailed at any cost. Okay, if you are wanting, I said, if you are going through any court issues, justice will be prevailed, peaceful resolution will come. If you're wanting justice for your karmas, be sure that justice will be prevailed. Now the time has come where justice will be prevailed. This is a female hand. Okay, because it's got bangles in it, and this is a female hand. What does this mean? Means you are now ready to be receptive to justice, which you were not previously. Remember, God is always giving, but our mental and physical and emotional bodies are always resisting. So if the universe is also so kind enough to give to us, but we are not ready to receive it, we are not getting the justice. जिसके भी कोर्ट केस चल रहे हैं ना, this is the time that I see that you will be out with it in the coming future. And those who are really tied up, they feel bonded, they feel like they do not have the freedom to speak, to go, to just do anything that they want. Time are now going to rapture for you. Again, I am getting the guidance is those who are wanting to start a new venture. The cards for you is please go ahead. The card for you is please go ahead, start a new venture. Painters, as I can see, all the creative people are going to have a good time. Creativity in any form, okay, in any form, are going to have a good time in the month of June. And those who are studying law also, they have a good career ahead of you. So if you are wanting to go for law, please go ahead, because it's a time to balance, to justify whatever it is needed. Okay, now let's see what are your numbers. What is the number, lucky number for you? I will pick up one number. Okay. Number 2. What does the number 2 suggest? That yes, you are ready. You will be in the energy of compromise. You will be the energy of compatibility. You will be in an energy of a partnership. You will be in the energy of softness, gentle sweetness in the entire month. Okay, 2 also suggests that some partner or some friend might be helpful and a supporting person in your life where you need that person the most. Okay, 2 also suggests that you have a very fragile and very vulnerable energy. So please keep your healthy boundaries around you, so that people do not take any advantage of you. So lucky number for you is number 2. So the 2nd of June, or the 11th of June, or the 20th of June, or 22, also 22 June, these are lucky numbers for you. And if you're planning to do something great and something new, something unique, you can choose these dates for you and see what does the energy shows up for you. Now let's channel some crystal messages. For you. Okay, this fell down. Okay, this is a beautiful yellow citrine. It's where the color has it's such beautiful transparent yellow citrine. This tells you the crystal message for the yellow citrine. Okay, for the yellow citrine for you is stay confident, increase your willpower, and please take care of your stomach. Again, I am getting this thing. Please take care of your stomach. One more suggestion through this crystal I am getting is like pray to the sun god every day. सूरज भगवान को एवरीडे नमन करें, उनको जल का अर्घ दें, ताकि आपकी नेम फेम एनर्जीज बहुत अच्छी हो जाए। ये कार्ड ये चैनलिंग इससे के साथ मैं मैच कर रही हूँ। अगर आपको अपनी लाइफ में ग्रो करना है, नेम फेम कमाना है, सन इज़ ऑल्सो वन गॉड which gives you tremendous name and fame, but you have to be willing to be in that energy so that you can stay humble every time. So increase your solar power energy, solar plex power chakra energies, increase your willpower, increase your confidence, increase your actions. Okay, and please take care of your stomach, because this is one part you will need to take care for this month. Okay, so guys, this was the reading. I hope you liked it, and please do keep whatever resonates with you and discard whatever doesn't resonate. So hope you guys liked the reading, and I enjoyed it too much. Have a blissful June month. Welcome the monsoons and love and enjoy the monsoons. Have a blessed month ahead. This is Pooja Jothani signing off from Cosmic Healing Studio. Until we meet the next time, bye bye.